This is your very big, spacious living room, open kitchen where you get two huge platforms. So this is your very spacious master bedroom. Hello everyone, welcome to Housey. Today we will be doing the residential sample flat tour of Park West by Avant Group, located in the prime location of Vilepale West. As you all can see, I'm at the actual location. The tower is right behind me. Talking about the exact location, the left side of the project leads me to Vilepale railway station and the right side leads me to SV Road. Before starting, let me give you an introduction of Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly to developers, hence giving bottom rate pricing. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you inquire once, your phone number is shared with multiple brokers, which leads to so many calls. You don't need to worry anymore because Housey is here, which connects you directly to the builders. Because on Housey, listing is done directly by the builders and not the brokers. So buy your dream home now directly with the builders only on Housey. Talking about the project overview, this project is made on 1 acre of land parcels consisting of 1 tower and 2 wings with ground plus 11 floors, and the configuration is of 3 and 4 BHK along with duplex. This project has 10 plus amenities including swimming pool, clubhouse, kids play area and many more. Talking about the connectivity of this project is located on Dadabhai Cross Road, number 3, Vilepale West, with Western Express Highway at a distance of 10 minutes, airport at a distance of 10 minutes, SV Road at a distance of 2 minutes, school, colleges, hospital, everything within a radius of just 5 minutes. Come, let's check out the sample flat. This is the 4 BHK 1677 square feet. While entering the room, we first get a very big foyer space where very easily you can build your shoe rack. Now, moving to the left, we have open kitchen where you get 2 huge platforms, a very big wash facing area, and on the walls, you can very easily fit your cabinets for more storage. Right when the platform ends, you get a huge area for your refrigerator, so you don't have to worry about it. Moving ahead, this is your very big, spacious living room where you can chill and enjoy with your family. And the best part of this living room is that you get an attached balcony to it. It is very difficult to find balcony in Mumbai, but here you get it. Moving ahead. So this is the butterfly layout. So here you'll have your master bedroom, but I'll show you that later. Let's move ahead. This is your dining area where easily 6 people can sit and have their lunch, dinner, enjoy with your family. And here we have our common washroom with anti-skid tiles and high-end fittings. Going ahead, this is our first bedroom. Very spacious, and the best part about this bedroom is that you get the balcony attached. Moving ahead, we also have a good wardrobe space to store all your clothes over here. And we also have a washroom attached to this bedroom as well. Come, let me take you to the cutest part of this house. So this is our kids' bedroom. You can see how spacious the bedroom is, and this as well has balcony attached to it. This is the study area for your kids to study, do their homework. This is their cupboard, which is again very spacious. Good amount of space has been given for your kids to store their clothes. And now moving ahead. This is your third bedroom. So while we enter, you get good space for closet on both the sides. And this is your bedroom, so spacious, so big. Again, this bedroom also comes with a small balcony also for you to place your plants. And then we have again spacious washroom attached to your bedroom with anti-skid tiles and high-end fittings. Moving ahead. Before entering the master bedroom, let me explain you the key features of Housey. So Housey gives you actual location tour, free sample flat tour, EMI schemes, payment schemes, pros and cons of the project, 360-degree location tour. All these amazing features are available on Housey.com. So what are you waiting for? Register yourself and book your free site visit with us today. Come now, let me take you to the master bedroom. So this is your very spacious master bedroom. You can check the space. Here you have your study area where you can work on your laptop, read your books, or just enjoy coffee. And here we have French windows which directly takes you to the balcony. So you have a very big balcony attached to your bedroom. Moving ahead. This is your walk-in closet of your master bedroom. You can see how spacious it is. And to the walk-in closet, you have attached washroom. The best part of the washroom is that it has attached jacuzzi to it, where you can chill, relax, have your me time. So this was the 4 BHK sample flat by Avant Group. As you all know, we are at the Vilepale West location. So have you all checked out other projects of this location? If yes, let me know in the comment section. All the details about the project is mentioned in the icon button, so you don't have to roam here and there. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.